Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export Draw.io files as PNG in 2026. If you want to share your diagrams as images for presentations, websites, or documents, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your diagram in Draw.io and make sure all edits and changes have been completed. It's a good idea to review the diagram before exporting. Next, click the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down options, select Export As and then choose PNG. Now the PNG export settings window will appear. Here you can adjust image size, scale, border width, and other export options. Next, choose the settings that best fit your needs. Higher resolutions are useful for presentations and printed materials. Now check the preview if available, and make sure the entire diagram is visible and properly aligned. Next, click the Export button to generate the PNG image file. Now select the location where you want to save the image on your computer or cloud storage. Next, enter a file name and confirm the save process. Once the export is complete, open the PNG file to verify that all shapes, text, and connectors appear correctly. Finally, use the image in documents, presentations, websites, or anywhere else you need to share your diagram. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export Draw.io files as PNG. Your diagrams can now be shared as high-quality image files whenever needed. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.